Hi, I'm Sanjeev and I have just completed the Forex trading course from Investolearn Academy with Ayushi ma'am. It was a wonderful experience and I gained a lot from this course. The best part about the course is that Ayushi ma'am teaches everything in a very relatable and simple way and also in an interesting way. She has great depth of knowledge as well as extensive experience in the world of trading. So all that comes through in the class. जब हम क्लास करते हैं तो बड़ा क्लियरली समझ में आता है कि प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस बोल रहा है और also I feel that not only have I gained a lot of knowledge from this course, I have also मुझे ये भी confidence आ गया है कि I'll be able to make reasonable profits and also control my losses, which is important. So I feel that if you are interested in learning about Forex or doing a course in Forex trading, you should definitely do this course. Thank you.